Hi, my name is Rachel Pirelli-Randolph, and I'm here at Expert Village on self-tanning tips. And right now I'm going to be talking to you about how to start this process. The first thing you want to do is the first and foremost, and everyone does this pretty much every day, I hope, is take a shower. When you take a shower, you want to make sure that you lather up and shave. For women, men, you don't have to shave, but women, you should shave. It also is part of the exfoliation process, but it gives you that nice, smooth, clean layer that you want when you apply everything. It goes on great when everything is so even. It works out really well. Shaving is very important. And you also want to apply a lot of soap to your legs, and after you shave, you don't want to do like harsh rubbing because you don't want to cause irritation, because on top of the irritation you'll apply the tanning and then it will cause burning, and that won't. Just use at least gel at least. That's really important. Don't forget to shower. And next up, we're going to be talking about exfoliation.